Hey guys, it's me again. I'm Ferris, if you don't know me. And today we're gonna do a super bubbly experiment, kind of like the one we did. If you're wondering how I get all of these, how I know how to do all these, it is from ThinkBox. You can do 40 experiments, and they're super fun. You can put them on Facebook, Twitter. So my objective is to create a reaction with baking soda, vinegar, and dish soap. Dish soap.
That's a hard one to say.
My reaction is carbon dioxide gas.
And it just bigger than yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Because what do you think is going to be the reason why it's bigger? Like which ingredient?
We have dish soap.
Dish soap. So right now we have Chad, Servling, and Colleen watching. Hi, you guys. All right, so and Mr. Belvedere's talking, of course. Wait 1 second. Please put that back in. And move your dishes closer to you so we don't make a mess.
So
this needs to be closer to you.
Way closer.
There you go.
So, are you doing it?
Mr. Belvedere is barking. Sorry, you guys.
The mailman.
Why don't you just wait a second? So let's get a close-up of the box while we're waiting. So this is ThinkBox, and we got it from Target. And it comes with, just really a small package that can really do a lot. So it came with her beaker and her spoon and her test tube here. And it comes with the instruction book of the different experiments that we can do. So this is day 2. So we're doing 2 of 40. All right. So go ahead, Ferris.
So
what are you doing first?
I'm doing super bubbly reaction. So I think first we should put in...
Nope. If you read the directions, it says...
Follow the
instructions from yesterday, which means we started 1 spoonful of baking soda. Hi, Sarge. How are you? Okay.
And then...
Yep. Then the vinegar. So now, remember we were talking yesterday about doing a volcano?
Yeah.
And just 1 small drop and see what happens. 1 small drop at a time. Imagine if you had a volcano and you added dish soap. No dice? First of all, it was a small drop, not a giant squeeze.
Sorry. Yes, gotta add more.
Nope. Let's follow the directions, Ferris, please. So baking soda and then the white vinegar. Slowly drop the vinegar in. Okay? So this one says do the same thing, but add, let's make that a little bit smaller, please.
There.
Nope.
There.
And drop of dish soap to the vinegar. Then add it to the baking soda. I'm trying to read these directions upside down. You being the scientist should actually be reading these step by step, right? So follow the instructions for experiment 1, but add a drop of dish soap to the vinegar, then add it to the baking soda. So why don't you go actually and put that down the sink, okay?
Sorry.
This is why, as a scientist, it's important to follow instructions. Make sure it's dried out too, please. Hey, Amy. Is it dried out? Okay. So try adding a small drop to the vinegar.
This?
Yes. Wait, empty this out first because we're going to want that in. Okay. Amy, today we are doing our chemistry experiment of making super bubbling reaction using carbon dioxide gases.
Done.
So essentially, Amy, what we're doing is, you know, the old volcano experiment where you add baking soda and vinegar together? We're doing that. Nope, please don't, and please wait. If you want the experiment to work, you have to follow the instructions. But we're doing it at a super level and adding dish soap. Supposedly, we got it wrong the first time because we didn't follow directions. So we're going to try it again to see what happens. So take a little bit of the baking soda and put it in. Don't take a giant heaping scoop just yet. Okay. Now, go ahead and mix your stuff around just a little bit. You added some dish soap, right?
Yep.
Okay. Now squeeze the vinegar into your tube. Okay, now let's see if this works. There you go. That is super bubbly.
Can I put more in mine?
Yep, you can do. Amy, this is really fun. This is from Target, this Think Box. I think it was like $15 maybe, and there's 40 different experiments that you can do. If you can't go into Target right now because of shopping issues or whatever else, you can still have it delivered, I believe. And of course, Target Red Card, free shipping. And I think it's about a 2-day issue. Look at all those bubbles. No, are you putting that in here?
Yeah.
Okay. As I say, don't put it in with the baking soda. It won't work. Don't put a whole bunch, please. Is it open?
Nope.
So also what we're doing is we are creating our chemistry journal of what the experiment is, what our objective is, and then our reaction. So we know that if we don't follow our instructions, then we don't get the reaction that we're looking for. So if you are doing a volcano project and you want an extra big lava explosion for your volcano to erupt,
Slow-mo.
then what we would recommend is adding a little bit of dish soap to your vinegar before adding it to your baking soda. Plus, because the bubbles are a little bit more fluffy, it would make the red food coloring that you put in for an eruption even more vibrant, I think. So
I want to see it
overflow.
Yeah, that's exactly.
There it is.
More. Just a little bit there.
Yeah, this kit basically comes with everything. Obviously, it didn't come with the dish soap and it didn't come with the vinegar, but it did actually come with the packs of baking soda and some other chemicals for the reaction, like sodium and everything else. Comes with a little black light pin as well, some test tubes, and all that other stuff. We just decided to use our own baking powder because we had more of it. So, and that's about it.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Fluffy.
That's about it for us here. Thank you guys so much for watching day 2 of our chemistry and science experiment. We're trying to have as much fun with learning as we can and find different ways of learning and putting things together. So hope everybody else is doing well during our little quarantine. Best wishes, everyone. Bye.